Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can play your Apple Music playlist on Alexa. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, all you have to do is simply go ahead, access your Alexa app on your mobile phone. Once you have done so, you're gonna find this kind of home section, right? For that matter, all you have to do is tap on this plus more icon in the bottom right. Tap on this icon of settings, and now go ahead, tap on this option of music and podcast in the bottom section. And now here in the section you can see this link new service, right? You can find this Apple Music just right over here. Go ahead, tap on it, and now you can see if you need an active Apple Music subscription to use with Alexa. For this matter, you have to go ahead, go back, access your Apple Music and get the subscription for it. Once you have got the subscription, you will be able to simply connect your Alexa with your Apple Music, and you can play and hear all of the playlist music that you have added to your Apple Music on your Alexa just like that easily. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.